Hello everyone, welcome to the video Quantifarm, how to use the web-based tool for data collection. I'm Francesco Parigi and I'm a researcher at Smart Agri-Food Observatory at Politecnico di Milano. The Quantifarm project aims at supporting the further development of digital agricultural technology solutions, from now on called DATS, as a key element for improving sustainability performance, economic, environmental and social, and competitiveness of agricultural sector. In the context of the project, Politecnico di Milano is in charge of developing an assessment framework to quantify the DATS impact and validating and applying the framework to the test case in real life. A fundamental part of the validation and application of the framework is the data collection from farmers. Data are of course needed to quantify the impact. Thus, this video guides you through the web-based tool that has been created in the context of Quantifarm project to facilitate the collection of data from farmers. The web-based tool is a key component of the Quantifarm toolkit. As I said, it's designed to collect the data from the test cases. This first version of the tool allows only their collection. The second version, delivered by the end of the project, will include a functionality to also elaborate data and assess the DATS impact. Before starting to use the tool, we kindly ask you to check that you are using one of the following browsers. In the future version, other browsers will also be supported. To start, please visit the link shared in the video description and send to the test case leader by email. For this first version of the tool, no login and password are required. You will load on the homepage, summarizing the instruction. We invite you to carefully read them. Once you have made sure you are on the supported browser, to start entering data into the tool, you must choose the test case by selecting it from the drop-down menu. Data are required for each test case are customized according to the sector in question. Once the test case is selected, new tab will be displayed. The General Data tab, where the first three entries are automatically fulfilled in. Within the same tab, you will find the section on the information of the DATS. If more than one DATS is used in your test case, you can add the row using plus button and select the data from the drop-down menu. Moving on, the testing period tab, you must select the testing period for which you want to enter the data. For this years of analysis, for sure you should select 2024. Once you have selected the reference period and entered the general market information, you will be asked to select the comparison number. This information is crucial in order to conduct analysis on the impact of the DATS. In fact, the analysis is based on comparing a parcel that uses DATS with one of similar size, sector and biogeographical region that does not use it. In case there is more than one comparison within the test case, please click on Add New. It is important that you fulfill the data for both parcel with DATS and parcel without DATS. The required data is the same between the two tabs. The data follows a structure divided by type of input. Please provide as much accurate data as possible for a comprehensive analysis. Data marked with the asterisk indicates that the data is highly recommended in order to receive as complete as an assessment as possible. Failure to fulfill in only created a warning message. The user may save the data regardless of the validation warning. Our numerical data cannot take negative values, and percentage data range from 0 to 100. For some type of data, you can choose to provide the data in aggregate value or divide by activities. If you have both type of data, we ask you to provide them so that we can carry out a comprehensive analysis as possible. Finally, to add a new row to data table, click on the plus button. To delete a row, delete all the data in the field of the row. Once you have entered all the data, we recommend that you click the Validate Current Data button in order to check if there is any alert or if you have forgotten any data. Once you are sure, click the Save to File button. A local file will be automatically created. The file format is JSON.
If the file is still to be completed, so is not yet finished, then it can be loaded with the Load from File button, and you can continue to the compilation as presented here. If the file created is completed, then you must upload the file to Nextcloud in your test case folder and send us an email. Please note that the system does not automatically save your input data, and data are not stored inside the platform. I hope the video was useful, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. You will find all my information and contacts in the description below and in the next slide. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.